Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one site from where you can do some testing and you can earn some money there. So they pay as high as $100 per day on testing of various products. So this is usertesting.com. So you can come here and click on get paid to test. You can sign up. There will be some questionnaires you need to take, and based on that you can test various products. You can submit your email and take your practice test to join a global network of trusted contributors. Answer the screening questions to match with testing opportunities. New tests are released all time, so you can share your perspective via test. You match and help in class brand improve the products and services. Earn $4 for every 5-minute test, $10 for every 20 minutes test, and between $30 to $120 for live interviews. So they want to revolutionize the testing experience. So if you look at their demo video, you can see what kind of testing they do. They also capture the testing experience of the users, so that way the brands will be able to identify what is wrong with their product. So let's see how it
Finally, there's an easy way to watch people use your app, product, or service. User testing lets you see the experience through the customer's eyes by watching what they do while hearing why they do it. For example,
"Oh, this is great. I love this. I'm gonna buy 2 of them. So I have to hit the plus sign, but it's so close to the chat. Let's see. Oh, and I must have pressed the chat."
We just got this body wash from Amazon and I'm trying to figure out how to get the pump up so the pump will work. And I've twisted a few times counterclockwise and nothing is happening.
It says quantity 1, but here it says 2 for $14.79. I'm not sure if I'm buying 1 or 2. Now it says 3 for $14.79. But here it seems to be saying 3 plus 3 free. I don't know if I'm ordering 1, 2, 3, or 6.
user testing completely transforms how today's businesses understand the diverse perspectives of their customers, helping you avoid problems like these. Within a few hours, the platform delivers powerful customer experience narratives that capture facial expressions and body language, voice, tone, and intonation, visuals of the actual experience, plus digital and real-world interactions. Here's how it works. First, choose your target audience. You can select from a global and diverse network of contributors. You specify exactly the type of person you're looking for, and we find them for you. Or you can even use your own customers. Next, select what to test, such as early prototypes, websites, mobile apps, Internet of Things, competitors, omnichannel, so you can see your customers' end-to-end journey, marketing content like social media or blog posts, or real-world experiences.
Wow, I like the feel. It feels really solid.
You can test pretty much anything, digital or physical. Next, create tasks you want the contributors to do, like buy a plant online. You can even start from a template that has tasks and questions written by experts, such as testing your app against a competitor. During the test, contributors record their screen and speak their thoughts out loud while performing tasks you give them.
So I'm glad it arrived the right direction, facing up. It looks well protected.
Or you can have one-on-one online interviews with contributors. You can get instant feedback from your customers as they interact with your products. You can also make video clips and use those clips to create a highlight reel. We also offer metrics, transcripts, and sentiment analysis using machine learning that automatically calls attention to the biggest issues to help you zero in on the problems the contributors encounter. Our professional services team can do the research for you or recommend the best practices for empowering all your teams to empathize with your customers. More than half of the world's top 100 brands rely on user testing. Join those leaders and you'll dramatically improve your customers' experience. User testing. Real human.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.